Hello, welcome back. Today we are, and I say we because I have someone with me today. Oh my God, it's so exciting. So my friend Christina is here to try some mead with me.
And I'm very excited because I've had some meads from Amanda before and they're always delicious.
I'm so excited. Oh my God, it's so nice to not be alone. The Mulberry Blueberry, this was bottled, I guess it was bottled the end of November 24th. Wait, is that right? November 14th. So this has been bottled for a while. It's over 3 months.
Yeah, almost 4.
Almost 4 months.
Almost
oh my
4.
God. So it should be pretty good right now.
I'm excited.
Pretty good.
I'm very excited.
All right, let's pop it open. So still, so nice. That's exactly what we want. So nice and still. Oh, you can smell it. Can you smell that?
Mm-hmm.
So I calculated it because I didn't write it down initially, but it is about 14.5%. This ended at 1.026 gravity. So it's semi-sweet is what that means.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go ahead and try some out. I have had this and it's pretty dang good. All right, cheers. Cheers.
Oh, that smells amazing.
Isn't it
That
interesting?
smells so good.
I don't know how to explain mulberry.
It's not herbal, it's more earthy and fruity, but not floral.
Yeah.
Like a pleasant musk, but musk isn't the word I'm looking for. That's amazing. That's delicious. It's got a nice, almost raisin color to it.
Mm-hmm. It does. It's kind of a bronzy red.
Kind of reminds me of port.
Ooh. See, I had like a kind of a red wine vibe about this a little bit, but it is kind of viscous, isn't it?
Not necessarily, it's a little bit viscous, but it's more the taste rather than the texture that reminds me of a port. Like a tawny port rather than a ruby port. It's got that little bit of dryness and a little bit of raisiny, almost caramel, but with a nice rich fruit.
Look at this girl. You know how to explain things.
I like my wine. I like my wine.
Yeah.
It's really pleasant.
It is. It's really nice. It just has this like, because you're right. It's not like sweet. There is kind of a dryness about it.
It's sweet, but it's balanced. Like there's nothing sharp about it. There's nothing particularly high or particularly low. It's sort of like all the notes sort of level each other out. So it's just really pleasant without being simple.
These are pretty complex, fairly. I don't really know. I'm still learning like tasting notes and stuff. I'm not like.
There's almost a vanilla-ish note in there.
Did I put vanilla in this?
I get a little bit of vanilla.
I always forget what I put vanilla in. No? Because there is like kind of a buttery smoothness.
Like an
about it.
almost oaky.
It's just mulberry, blueberry, and honey.
But it's so good.
It's a success.
Whatever you put in this, it is delicious.
Dang.
And it's, yeah, like I said, it's sweet, but it's not so sweet that you need something to balance it out. Like it's self-balancing. Like you get a little bit of the sweet and then a little bit of the earthy, and it just sort of mellows. They balance each other.
I mean, I taste all the things that you do, though.
Okay. So
Yeah.
I'm not completely crazy. Just a little bit.
No. You just like find all the words for all the things that.
Yeah, it's not quite as viscous as a port. It's got a really pleasant mouthfeel.
Mouthfeel. It's full-bodied mouthfeel. is what it
Yeah.
is, yeah.
But it's not heavy.
I think the sweetness, it kind of like lightens it up a
Yeah.
little bit, maybe.
Like keeps it from being too deep. Sort of brings it up. Adds a little bit of sunshine.
I like that. Oh. Well, you heard it, guys. If you have mulberries in your area,
Make mead out of them, please.
you should definitely make mead out of them. Now, I used 2 pounds of mulberries and 2 pounds of blueberries, all in primary. So everything was fermented together, and then it just kind of sat and
Made magic.
made magic is what it did. I'm definitely making this again this year.
Please do. Please do. We'll have to make cake. like a blueberry mulberry summer fruit cake to go with this.
Ooh.
And maybe put a little bit of this on top as a syrup. Wouldn't that be good?
That'd be really good.
That'd be really good, wouldn't it? With a little bit of whipped cream on top.
Damn. Yeah. All right, well, we're gonna drink some more. We have a bottle.
For now. We have a bottle for now.
For now, yes. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have mulberries in your area, pick them. Pick them. In Virginia, they are native. They're literally everywhere. So I plan on attempting to harvest at least quite a lot of these. Traditional Morat takes 4 pounds, if you're curious. And I'm so sorry if you don't have this in your area. It's kind of a bummer.
But that just means there's more opportunities for you to find your own local fruit.
Oh my God, it's true.
And look at the bushes and shrubs in your backyard.
Yeah, for real.
Figure out what's growing for you and use that.
All right, thank you everyone for watching. Appreciate you so much. And I'll see you next time. Bye.
There's a Godzilla shadow.
Oh wait, where is he?
I don't know, but I noticed it partway through.
Oh, he's up there.
There's a Godzilla shadow on the wall.
My God.